Hello kindergarten 2 student, welcome back to our reading video tutorial. How are you today guys? I hope you are fine and great so you guys can do your reading for Jack. And as usual in this video, I will guide you how to read the sentences in English and Bahasa Indonesia. And for the first, you will read sentences in English. Second, you will read the sentences in Bahasa. And the last, you will read a short story in Bahasa. Okay, now let's begin our reading tutorial video. Let's go. Number 1, Dad will chop the fish from that shop. Number 2, let's shake the bottle and take a photo. Number 3, I hurt my thumb when I take a bath. Number 4, I brush my teeth and wash my face. Number 5, I see kind of whales from the top of our ship. Next, number 6, the frog and his friends play the drum on the cliff. Number 7, I grab my new glove and globe to show to Ralph. Number 8, I took a photo of a swan swimming in the lake. Number 9, Mom bought me a new pink dress. It has flowers. Number 10, I smile when I smell the yummy food. Next, number 11, Mom bake a cake for Dave's birthday. Number 12, I would like to bike with Mike this weekend. Number 13, I bought 9 limes from the shop near the lake. Number 14, she hates riding a bike on the cliff. Number 15, the last but not least, the fire spread wider. Okay guys, now we will go to our seri baca. Kita akan membaca beberapa kalimat di bawah ini menggunakan bahasa Indonesia ya. Yang pertama, Ani pakai baju baru. Nomor 2, dia pergi ke pesta. Nomor 3, pesta ulang tahun Rini. Nomor 4, Rini ulang tahun ke-7. Nomor 5, Tupai mencuri coklat milikku di kebun. Nomor 6, syarat perlombaan itu cukup sulit. Nomor 7, angin badai dahsyat itu merobohkan banyak rumah. Nomor 8, sungai itu ternyata dekat dengan pantai. Nomor 9, lantai rumahku sangat bersih. Nomor 10, andai aku bisa bangun tidur lebih awal. Oke, sekarang kita akan pergi ke membaca cerita singkat di seri baca tulis yang berjudul Pesta Ulang Tahun. Nani pakai baju baru. Dia pergi ke pesta. Pesta ulang tahun Rini. Rini ulang tahun ke-7. Next. Pesta itu sangat ramai. Saya senang ikut pesta. Banyak tamu yang datang. Nani merasa bahagia. Okay guys, that's all about our reading tutorial video for this week. And please do your reading activity to improve your reading skill. And don't forget to send your reading project or your reading video to our WhatsApp group. And see you on our next reading tutorial video. Goodbye everyone!